Today I am reviewing the Samsung 27-inch Odyssey OLED G6 gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First off, the display is absolutely stunning. Samsung has packed this monitor with QD-OLED technology, delivering superior brightness and a wide color gamut. This means every scene, whether it's a bright, sunlit battlefield or a dimly lit dungeon, looks incredibly vivid, with lifelike color reproduction and contrast. The QHD resolution strikes a perfect balance between sharpness and performance, making your games look beautifully detailed without overtaxing your system. But what really sets this display apart is how it handles dark scenes. Thanks to the deep black levels and zero-pixel light bleed, you'll notice subtle shadows and rich depth even in the darkest parts of the screen. Whether you're playing a stealth-based game or watching a cinematic trailer, the visual quality is simply phenomenal. Speed is everything in competitive gaming, and this monitor delivers in spades. With a mind-blowing 240 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, your actions are registered almost the instant you make them. It's like your mouse and monitor are communicating telepathically. Whether you're dodging incoming fire, flicking to land that perfect headshot, or maneuvering through fast-paced races, you get instantaneous feedback that can truly elevate your gameplay. In addition to that, this monitor is both AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, ensuring ultra-smooth gameplay with minimal tearing, lag, or stuttering, even during high-motion scenes. QD-OLED displays are powerful, but traditionally they've had one issue: burn-in. Samsung has tackled this head-on with not just one, but multiple intelligent solutions. First, there's the dynamic cooling system, a world first for monitors. It uses pulsating heat pipe technology to cool the panel 5 times more effectively than traditional methods. This means the core temperature stays lower, which is essential for OLED longevity. There's also thermal modulation, which predicts the surface temperature and smartly adjusts brightness to keep things cool. And if you leave the monitor idle, the screensaver kicks in after 10 minutes, automatically dimming the screen until you return. Additional features like logo and taskbar detection help reduce brightness on static images, again, reducing the chances of burn-in. It's reassuring to know that Samsung is taking long-term display health seriously. Another standout feature is the QD-OLED glare free coating. If you've ever gamed in a well-lit room and struggled with reflections, this monitor will feel like a game changer. Samsung's anti-glare tech reduces reflections by 54% compared to traditional anti-reflective film. That means fewer distractions and better focus, no matter your lighting setup. The G6 doesn't just perform well, it looks incredible too. The slim metal chassis gives it a modern, high-end aesthetic that's perfect for any gaming setup. It feels premium and futuristic without being over-designed or gaudy. It's clear that Samsung didn't just want this to be a tool for gamers. They wanted it to be a statement piece for your desk. Lastly, it's worth noting that Samsung includes a 3-year warranty with this monitor. That's 3 years of peace of mind for a high-performance product, a rare but welcome inclusion for any premium display. So, is the Samsung Odyssey OLED G6 worth it? If you're looking for a monitor that excels in speed, display quality, and design, the answer is a resounding yes. The 240 Hz refresh rate and 0.03 milliseconds response time give you the competitive edge, while the QD-OLED panel offers cinematic visuals with unmatched depth and contrast. Add to that the intelligent burn-in protection, glare reduction technology, and sleek design, and you have what might be one of the best 27-inch gaming monitors on the market today. It's not just a monitor, it's a full-on upgrade to your gaming experience.